everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we invited Engineer Wang to demonstrate how to weld the up and bottom PE film. Firstly, the up and bottom film need to be spread out and aligned after they are threaded through the full-side EPS packaging machine. At this point shown in the video, the machine is in the manual mode, and there is a manual welding button on the machine. After the preparation is complete, heating temperature of the cutting wire needs to be checked first. Currently, we are setting 130 degrees. The set temperature needs to be adjusted according to the local temperature. If the button on the touchscreen displays red, it means that it is not reached the setting temperature and the cutting wire is still heating up. If the button displays green, it means that the condition of the manual welding is ready. If there is a broken film or the individual packaging result is not good, just repeat above steps. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.